Ever wondered why some people ace their CAE writing tests while others struggle? Often the difference lies not in their command of the language, but in their approach to the task. Today, we're going to break down the process of CAE writing into easy-to-follow steps which can help anyone improve their performance. So what's the first step? It's understanding the question. Sounds simple enough, but a surprising number of people overlook this crucial stage. The question isn't just asking you to write about a topic, it's asking you to write in a specific way. Perhaps it wants you to argue a point, or to compare and contrast two ideas. Identifying this requirement is the key to a successful answer. Next, brainstorm the content. Gather all the ideas that come to mind about the topic. Don't worry about order or coherence at this stage. The goal is to get all the ideas out of your head and onto the page. Once you've got your ideas down, it's time to organize them. This is where you decide which ideas are most important and which ones support your main points. Remember, it's not about the number of ideas you have, but about the quality and relevance of those ideas. Now it's time to start writing. But don't just dive in. Write an outline first. This will serve as your roadmap, guiding you through the process and ensuring that you stay on track. Your outline should include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each of these sections serves a specific purpose and should contain specific types of information. Once your outline is complete, you can begin the actual writing. Stay focused on your outline and don't get sidetracked. Use clear, concise language and avoid unnecessary jargon. Remember, your goal is to communicate your ideas effectively, not to impress with big words. Finally, don't forget to revise. Look for errors, inconsistencies, and anything else that might detract from the clarity and effectiveness of your writing. Make sure your argument is coherent and your points are well supported. In summary, the steps to successful CAE writing are understanding the question, brainstorming ideas, organizing your thoughts, creating an outline, writing the essay, and revising your work. By following these steps, anyone can improve their CAE writing skills. Remember, success in CAE writing isn't about being the most fluent or having the most extensive vocabulary. It's about understanding what the question is asking, generating relevant ideas, organizing those ideas effectively, and presenting them in a clear, coherent manner. With a bit of practice and the right approach, anyone can master the art of CAE writing.